Anytime someone's been arrested or given a criminal citation, it can be extremely overwhelming and confusing. In addition to the stress that goes along with being charged with a criminal offense, there's also the unknown and the uncertainty about what's going to happen and how the process works. So to give you a brief overview of what is going to happen or what might happen in your case, and granted, there are differences. There's differences between jurisdictions, there's differences between judges, and there's differences between whether your case is a felony prosecution or a misdemeanor prosecution. Generally, the first hearing that you're going to have after you've been either arrested or given a citation is an arraignment. An arraignment is when the court, the judge, informs you of the charges against you as well as your rights. The fact that you do have a right to an attorney, you have a right to a trial, and any other rights that go along with your prosecution. On that date, you'll enter your initial plea, your plea of guilty, not guilty, or no contest. Assuming that you enter a not guilty plea, your case will then proceed to pretrial hearings, pretrial motions such as any issues regarding identification, any suppression of evidence issues, whatever pretrial motions that you and your criminal defense attorney who's handling your case discuss. And then eventually, if you're ever found guilty of anything, whether it's through trial or oftentimes a plea agreement with the state or the federal government, you'll proceed to allocution and sentencing. Allocution is the period, or refers to the time when before sentencing, before the judge imposes sentence and gives you your punishment, where you get to give your side, explain to the court why you should be granted leniency and what you think should happen. If you're making a pitch for probation, why you think you're a good candidate for probation. And then sentencing is that time when the judge will actually pronounce sentence and tell you what's going to happen, what type of penalties you're actually going to face. Are you going to face jail time? Are you going to face a term of probation, fines, or some combination of the three? But that's a general overview of the criminal process, and it's important to speak with the lawyer handling your criminal case so that you understand every step of that process clearly and you understand exactly what's going to happen with your case.